Well, that's the play area. Take you to a tour down to another place. Gives you an idea. We got trails everywhere. We'll walk them. Got a little bit of rain today. Really beautiful. All the purples and golds are starting to come in, the whites, all wildflowers. Mile of rose right by a fence post. Multiflora rose. Ironweed. Really pretty. We'll see some butterflies probably, maybe. Well, across the road, we're on this side of our property. We left this divider in here for wildlife and animals and stuff. Yep, there's a whole bunch of butterflies. I'll zoom into them. They like this ironweed. Purple coneflower we planted years ago. Goldenrod is starting to bloom. We mowed this area, so it's pretty nice. It's easy walking. Beats walking straight up the hill, because it's a ways up there. Blackberries, they're done for the year. I did find some the other day though. See a lot of bunny rabbits down here. A lot of deer. As you can see, this is deer country down here. Looks like the pine beetles killed another pine tree. Sometimes you can listen, you can hear them crunching inside the bark. But yeah, we're not going to stand around. We'll do that at some other time. Well, there's our pond. Oh, there goes a deer. It's right up on the top there. Let's see if I can walk around. We'll get a picture of her. Like I said, deer country. There she goes. She ran up through there. Anyway, there's our pond. She didn't run far, she's just right up there. She's listening to me talk. Her young's probably laid down in the weeds somewhere. See quite a few young fawns this year. There's our paddle boats. They're a lot of fun. Yeah, we're gonna do some fishing. We got catfish, we got all kinds of stuff in there. Well, we're going to get up here. One thing you might get to see us do is where I'm headed now. I'm just walking around the pond. I'm starting to get back into the woods now. This is where all the chanterelles are. Oh Lord, we got lots of them. We're going to explore this. We don't know quite what it is. But the more we look at these rocks, this rock looks like it was laid in here. And it goes back up in there. Look at the spider webs on top. We'll do that this fall when it's a lot colder. Even mushrooms. Found out last year the mushrooms will grow about anywhere. There's those ones I found last year. I'll have to get a spotlight. Looks like something's living in there. I see tracks. Can't tell what they are. But we're going to explore in here. I don't know. That rock is definitely straight up and down, and there's a gap there. But it looks like it was placed in there. We're just not for sure what that is. We don't know if all this dirt's filled in from up there. I'll back up some so you can see it. But we're going to explore this. Before I let everyone go, I'm going to show you all these chanterelles. I've never seen so many. Boy, it's just a beautiful day. But that's that cave. I don't know, I probably got about 30 feet back up in there. Looks like there's a big opening. I'm going to see if I can pan out here. Wouldn't that be something if this is the pyramid? That would just be crazy. Maybe this is the entrance of it and the top of it. It's just funny how this is shaped like this. Definitely the dirt's filled in over the years here. Look at all these mushrooms. But we're going to explore that sometime here in the future. I've been dying to go up in there. These are all chanterelle mushrooms. It's just beautiful. Here, let me get a close-up on them. These are edible, they say. These are the ones I ate, and I'm still alive, so they didn't taste pretty good. They taste actually really good. They're really a good mushroom to eat. I don't have a bag with me, but I do have pockets and a t-shirt, so I will be filling some of these up as I walk up out of here. Yeah, chanterelles. You can flip them over. I always pick everything. I don't pull it up out of the ground. And it's kind of dirty from the rain. But if you look, they have fins on them. I didn't bring my pocket knife with me. But they're really supposed to be pretty good mushrooms to eat. There's just lots of them. Let me zoom in here. Just beautiful. These are all fresh too. Oh, they have some more mushrooms up here. I wonder what these are. I don't know. don't know what those are. They definitely don't look edible. They say you could do a 3 to 5 second or 5 to 10 second taste test. You take a piece of this, and you're supposed to chew on it for 5 to 10 seconds and then spit it out. If it tastes acidic, more than likely it's poisonous. If it tastes earthy, a good possibility you might be able to eat it. But I'm not an expert, so I'm not going to try it. But I have done the 3 to 5, 10 second rule. I didn't feel comfortable doing it, so. But these you can definitely eat, and man, they're just everywhere. It's really nice, really nice. Chanterelles. They're just everywhere. And this is about where they stop. I don't see any up in there. Our field's right up on top of that hill there. You get up on top there, that's all our open field. This is just the woods off to the side. Got some nice trees. Nut trees, a little bit of everything. On the other side of the road we've been clearing. Well, this is our pond area. We got ferns growing everywhere. And they're really pretty. Just beautiful. But there's one thing we're going to check out. Grab my bottle. I got iced tea. I think this is coral mushrooms here. I believe that's what those are called. I'll have to get some pictures of these and send them to my friend. He's a heck of a mushroom guy, and he introduced me to a group. And leader of the group, buddy, she is just fantastic when it comes to identifying mushrooms. Like I say, you get experts, people that really like fungi. That's all this is a fungus. I believe they call this coral mushrooms. And we'll show those next year when we're morels. We like hunting morels. Morels are really, I don't know, they taste really, oh, there's some more chanterelles. They're growing right above that cave there. I still like this. I'm gonna have to get up in there. There's chanterelles, I'm gonna have to walk that whole hillside. Oh, there's mushrooms up there. Those are summer mushrooms. It's summertime here. This is spring. There's water coming out of this. And that all feeds down into our pond. And that's all we did was, oh, here's some more ferns. We'll step back. These are really pretty too. It's just beautiful here. Sumac. The berries, I guess you can make tea and eat them. I ain't really fond on them. I didn't eat a lot of them. I'm not really accustomed to eating them, but. And we got another path that goes across and goes up. And it goes back heading towards our 20 acres. I did see a snake here not too long ago, a blue racer. It'd be neat to see him again. So all I did was take some pictures of him. It's been too wet to mow. We had a wet year so far. Here's the spring. It's coming up from back out of there. It's flowing down into our pond. Our pond spring fed. I have seen it get low though, but the water level looks good. Like I said, we let a lot of these trees grow just to keep it from slipping. We don't want none of this to slip into our ponds.